Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Stacy. Today, I'm going to be making chicken salad. If you are in charge of the chicken salad for tomorrow on Christmas, all I got to say is you definitely know what you're doing. Start by dicing you some red onion, green bell pepper, green onion, and please don't forget about the celery. And lastly, we have our chopped eggs. I'm making chicken salad for a total of 20 people. 20 people, and this is my chicken. And let me tell you what kind of chicken I use. I use 2 rotisserie chickens, not lemon pepper, they were out. This is just the regular chicken that I use. I also use regular chicken breast, like a large pack of chicken breast. I use that. With the 2 rotisserie chickens that I did have, I used all of that chicken. I'm talking about the leg, the wing, and the breast. Yes, I used the dark meat as well. So we got a mixture of both, white and dark. I shredded all of my chicken. I did not dice them. It tastes better shredded. If you know, you know. Okay, there are a couple of tips that I want to kind of like just throw in to you all of how I make my chicken salad. I know we all like it differently. I will throw this out there right now. I don't put fruit in my chicken salad. Fruit does not go into chicken salad. Please stop doing it. Who taught y'all that? Don't do that. It don't go in chicken salad. Not mine. I don't even think I have a bowl that big to be making all this chicken salad. What am I gonna put all this in? I have celery, green onion, bell pepper, and red onion. I'm not going to use all of these special. I just have all of these because I'd rather have more than not enough. So we'll probably be using half of this. Now, as far as the sizing of my vegetables, I like them, I guess, finely chopped to medium size. That's how I like my vegetables. Okay, this right here, this special stuff, Duke's Mayo. This is the mayo that goes into chicken salad. Not Kraft, not Hellman's, no other kind. This is what goes into chicken salad. If you use anything other than this, you are not from the South, honey. You guys know that I told you I didn't have a pan big enough for the chicken salad. So I did end up finding something. And we are gonna have to use this aluminum pan. This is the only thing that's gonna work. Enough to feed 20 people. This is all that I have. And we're gonna make it work. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We got our beautiful white and dark meat in here for our chicken salad. Okay, let's start by adding our vegetables. We got some red onion. Got some of that bell pepper. Got some of that green onion. And we got some of that celery. And I told y'all I was gonna do about half of this. Let's add a little bit more. Just a little bit. I got all of my chopped eggs right here. And I'm feeling like I wanna add all of my eggs. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add all my eggs. You can never go wrong with beautiful eggs like these. Now let's add our mayo. And again, just add as you go. I would prefer that because you can always add, but you can never take away. You just don't want to put too much of anything. I am going to add dill and sweet relish. I like a mixture of both just to balance it out. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of both. Got the dill in there. and 1 tablespoon of the sweet relish. Now let's add our seasoning. We have celery salt, smoked paprika, some of that good old black pepper, a little of that cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a little Creole seasoning, a little bit of sugar, and some yellow mustard. Now let's go ahead and mix it. I did add some more of that Duke's Mayo, y'all. And I knew that I was gonna have to add some more, but it's still always better to be safe than sorry. And I'm just gonna continue to mix this up until it gets really moist. And remember to always add as you go. After all of that, we've got the perfect chicken salad. Your chicken salad should look like this. It should sound like this. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Y'all hear that? That's what your chicken salad should sound like. And by the way, I had to use the whole jar of mayo just to feed 20 people with the amount of chicken that I had. And this is what I came out with. That is beautiful. If your chicken salad don't look like this, you didn't do it right. You didn't watch my video if your chicken salad don't look like this. It should definitely taste like mine. I know you can't taste it, but it should look like this at least. And it should be moist. You should be able to run that spoon backwards and forwards and side to side. Again, that's what it's supposed to look like. And y'all remember, this chicken salad recipe is quick and easy. It's healthier and it's lighter. You can make sandwiches out of it, put it on a bagel, make you some lettuce wraps, take it to work and eat it as a snack. It has high protein and low carbs. It's just an all-around healthy recipe. They're gonna love this tomorrow, y'all. All right, well, I really hope you enjoyed making this chicken salad recipe with me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.